Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip, I want to show you how we can import AdobeXD files to Unity and use this for our UI implementation or UI design. Okay, first of all, we should take a look at this plugin actually, which has been released by KYO bonus. I will share this link in the description of this video. They have the whole project, which has the evil sample XD file. You just need to download the whole project and import the whole project as a new project into in Unity. But if you want to have this ability inside your project, just drag and drop the assets folder into your project, or even you can add by a Unity package manager. First of all, you should add this guy, and after that, adding this project, this plugin, and you can have your Adobe XD in Unity. But before that, you need to make sure you already have vector to graphics inside your package manager. So you should come over here into the package manager. You will see vector graphics. You just need to download and install this guy. It is the package of Unity. But maybe this package is not doesn't exist in your list packages. If you're using with Unity 2019, you just need to click on setting advanced and say okay, show preview packages. But if you are in a Unity more than 2020, you just need to come over here, come over here at package by name and write Unity com.vector graphics and just press add. But if you want to have better names, you should come over here in this page. I will share this link as well. In this page, the Unity company explained which packages have been hidden in from the package manager, but you can have access to them by adding the names of them for that solution. For example, this is it, vector graphic. Yeah, this guy, com.unity.vector graphics. You just need to copy this guy and paste that part and add to your project. Okay, but I already have these guys here, and as you can see in the sample scene, we have two files here. It is for Adobe drop AK or drop XD. Before that, I already imported their sample public game UI.xd. It is almost 5.3 megabyte. But in here, we will come over here and add XD import settings. In here, you can see there is a drop XD position. You just need to drag and drop your XD file into this part. And as you can see, it tries to generate the AdobeXD part and make the every UI elements separately here. For example, they will make a prefab from all your objects inside this folder. Assets, sample, generated prefabs at the name. The name is those sections in which you have designed an Adobe XD inside the Unity. For example, here, Adobe generated prefabs. Look at this alert, main, test corner, test gradation, or test mask, or whatever. These are the sections we had in that public game UI XD. And for example, assets output directly path, this address meta is here and the fonts are here. And look at this, the assets here, main, There is the all textures, and in here we can see the meta files for each one, and also generated sprite atlases. Excellent. And now we can open it up, and we will see we have all packages, all prefabs here with the textures. It is truly helpful for design the UI game, and we can import it directly to the Unity without making from scratch in Unity. I already have a video tutorial for having a direct import from Figma to Unity as well. I will share the link of that uh, video tutorial inside the description of video as well. Okay, I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.